Morning, Jettie Rockers. Welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, we're out here this morning. We're going to head offshore. That's going to be the main goal for today. We're going to see if we can't get back on some of those lane snapper and stuff. Basically just me today, going solo. And hopefully we'll get out there, we'll get on some good fish. I may stop off and try for some triple tail. I may even look for some Spanish mackerel because they're coming through right now. But the main goal is bottom fishing with some live shrimp and catching some snappers. I'll see you out there. Alright guys, well we made it out here. A little bit of a bumpy ride. It's kind of sloppy out here this morning, but I made it out here. I'm out here. I don't know how long I'll be able to stay out here, but I'm on the spot. I'm anchored up, so let's see what we can do. Let's drop some baits down. Hopefully we'll get on some lanes. Alright guys, I'm hooked up with the first fish, and it does not feel like a grunt. Actually feels like it got some size to him. Let's see what we got here. It's a big old pigfish. Look at the size of these pigfish, man. I mean, these things are just huge out here. Huge. You swallow my dog on a hook. That is a monster pigfish. All right, guys. I'm hooked up. This feels like a pretty decent fish, actually. Yeah, this feels like a really good fish. It'd be funny if it was another big giant pigfish. It feels like a good fish. It's a red snapper. Man, I can't believe they still swallow. Got a circle hook on and they still swallow my hook. Nice little red snapper. Alright guys, I'm hooked up with decent fish. Decent fish. Oh, what is this? Oh, what are you? What are you? What are you? What are you? Oh, a sheephead. A sheepshead. Alrighty, nice size sheepshead too. Good size sheepshead. Come on, you got it wrapped around the fin here. I hate it when they do this. God, I hate it when they do this. There we go, now I got him. Yeah, nice size sheepshead, guys. Really good sheepshead. Not a bad sheepshead for offshore. Pretty one. Alright. Alright guys, I've missed like 4 really big fish in a row. I don't even know what I'm hooking into, but they have been just popping me off, cutting me off left and right. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. Finally got one hooked up without busting them off. See if I can get them to the boat. That's what I thought they were, red snapper. And I'd bust off like 4 of these right in a row. Nice little red one. Hey guys, hooked up with another good fish. Come on, buddy. What are you? What are you? What are you? What are you? Another red one. Another red one. There's tons of these guys down there. Tons of them. Alright guys, I'm hooked up with a good fish here. I mean, this is a good fish right here. Probably just another red snapper, but boy, he slammed it. Golly. Come on, what is it? What is that? It's big, whatever it is. Big old red snapper. Look at that size of that guy. Big old red snapper. Oh, he's got some broken off hooks in him, so we're gonna help you out, guy. Yeah, you got a bunch of hooks in there. Actually, that's some of the hooks I just lost. Check this out, guys. I lost this fish earlier. There's my leader and my hook. Nice little red snapper. See you later. Hey guys, I got something here. It feels like one of those big pigfish. It is one of those big old pigfish, but hey, they're actually pretty good eating, so I'm gonna keep them. Guys, I got something. Don't really feel like much though. A little lane, a little bitty lane. I don't know if he's quite legal. I don't think he is. I'm gonna let him go, I think. Pretty little lane though. All right, first lane of the day. All right, guys, I'm hooked up. Feels like a little decent fish here. Oh, you bouncing another one of them big giant pigfish. Dude, look at the size of these pigfish, man. Golly. And those things are huge. That's why they call them pigfish. I mean, let's look at this thing. 12-inch pigfish. Gotta be kidding me. I got something here. Fighting kind of crazy. Probably just a big old grunt. Oh, it's a lane. All right. Nice. We got a lane and a keeper lane. Cool, guys. First keeper lane. Nice. Sweet. That's what we came out here for. All right, guys. I got a really good fish on right here. I don't know what this is. This thing hit like a ton of bricks. Hit like a ton of bricks. Probably just a red one. Oh no, what is that? That's a white bone porgy. All right. Nice. There we go. That's a beautiful fish. It's my buddy Salty Kayak's favorite fish. Nice little porgy. Sweet. I got something weird. This just feels really heavy, but it ain't fighting at all. It just feels real heavy, so I don't know what it is. I have no idea. What is this? Now, how the heck did I do that? I don't think I could do that twice if I tried. I hooked him right in the top of the doggone fin. Wow. I ain't never done that before. I mean, I hooked him right in the top of the fin. It's funny. Hilarious. Guys, I'm hooked up with something really big here. I can't even stop him. Oh, gone. I couldn't even stop that fish. That fish was nice. Mine just came unhooked. Nope, cut me off. Doggone it. Alright guys, I think I got something a little bit better here than a pigfish, I hope. But now it's starting to act like a pigfish. Nope, it's a lane. Yes sir. Nice little lane. My second lane of the day. My second keeper lane of the day. Third lane caught. Nice fish. Alrighty, nice little lane. Pretty fish, guys. Delicious fish, one of my favorite. I got something else. One's fighting good, now it's not fighting all that great. It might be another lane. It's acting like a spot-tail porgy. Heck yeah. Alrighty. Getting ready to run out of shrimp, and now the fish are biting. Just my luck. Another ringtail. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. Pretty good fish. Feels like a good fish. Anyway, I hope it's a big lane. It acted kind of like a sheepshead, to be honest with you. What is that? Oh, it's a big red snapper. Doggone it. I was hoping that was a lane. Nice fish though. Alright, my last piece of shrimp. Alright, this was my last shrimp. So I'm going to have to go to some other stuff that I brought, but this is my last shrimp. And what is it? It's another monster pigfish. Alright guys, I got something good here. On a sand flea. Something nice. This is something really nice. I can keep them hooked. Be nice with a big old sheepshead. Or a black drum. We'll take a black drum. We will take a black drum. Yes, we will. Awesome. Big old black drum on a sand flea offshore. Yeah, buddy. Nice black drum. Nice one. Sweet. Alright guys, I got another good fish on the sand flea. Hope there's another black drum. That would be awesome. It's looking like a monster doggone pigfish. That one's huge. Huge pigfish. These things are giants out here. Alright guys, I got another nice fish. There's a fighting fish right here. What is this? This better not be a pigfish. Better not be a pigfish. Nope, fat laying on a doggone sand flea. Heck yeah, guys. These fish are eating sand fleas out here today. Nice one. Guys, I'm hooked up. I don't think this is a pigfish. If this is a pigfish, he's a big old pigfish. Not acting like a pigfish. But I'm wrong. Look at the size of that pigfish. God, that is a monster. Jeez. Louise, these things are huge. God, dog. Just for curiosity. 13-inch pigfish. Golly. I'm pretty sure this is not a pigfish. That thing hit so hard. That was crazy how that fish hit. You got to be kidding me. Dude, this is going to be 1,000 of them down there. That thing hit like a freight train. I mean, I'm not even kidding you how bad that thing hit. Holy cow. Alright guys, I'm hooked up with something that's not a pigfish this time. Almost 100% sure this is not a pigfish. It's not. It's another black drum. It's another black drum. Alright, another black drum. Alrighty. That's what we're looking for. That is what we want right there. Another nice black drum. Nice black drum. Pretty fish. Alright guys, hooked up again. I don't think it's a pigfish, but I could be wrong. It's acting kind of funny. Yep. Just another massive pig. They actually fight pretty good this deep of water, to be honest with you. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. I hope this ain't another pigfish. Nope, it's a red snapper. Red snapper. Red snapper on a sand flea. Red snapper on a sand flea. Alright guys, just show you what I'm using. I'm just using a standard fish finder rig. Short leader, 1/0 hook. I'm using dead sand fleas that I got at the bait shop. Fresh dead sand fleas. And that's all we're using. And we're catching all kinds of stuff out here. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. Feels like a decent fish, unless I snagged something. What is this? What is this? Another monster doggone pigfish. Holy cow. God, these things are big. Huge pigfish. Hey, Jettie Rockers. Well, that's our day. We'll go ahead and call it. It is now 12:39. And we'll go ahead and call it a day. We've been out here since about 9:30. And we've had a great day. I mean, I started out with 50 shrimp. I ran through those pretty quick. Then I started using dead sand fleas that I had, that I brought just in case I wanted to hit the jetties. Well, the fish were hitting them out here. I mean, it's been a great day. I don't even know what to say about it. I mean, since the moment I started, I've been catching fish. Catching big old giant pigfish, red snapper, because they're all over the place out here. We got some lanes. We got 2 different species of porgies, the white bone and the spot tail, and got some black drum. It has been a great day. Well, I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today and going fishing with me. I appreciate you all very much. And until I get to see you guys again soon, here pretty soon on the water, tight lines, Jettie Rockers. Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.